Hey everyone, welcome back to the Car Updates. We dive deep into one of the most exciting sports cars to hit the market, the 2025 Porsche 718 Spyder. Whether you're a Porsche aficionado or simply someone who loves a well-crafted driving machine, this car is guaranteed to impress. So buckle up and get ready for an in-depth look at everything this stunning vehicle has to offer, from its jaw-dropping design to its exhilarating performance on the road. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of why the 718 Spyder continues to be a benchmark in its class. Let's start by talking about the heart of any sports car, the engine. Under the hood of the 2025 Porsche 718 Spyder lies a 4.0-liter, naturally aspirated flat-six engine that delivers an impressive 414 horsepower and 317 lb-ft of torque. This engine is a masterpiece of engineering, providing a visceral driving experience that's hard to match. Porsche has made sure to maintain the purity of a naturally aspirated powerplant, which means immediate throttle response and a symphony of engine sounds that will delight any driving enthusiast. Paired with a slick 6-speed manual transmission, the Spyder offers an engaging and raw driving experience that's becoming increasingly rare in today's automotive world. One of the standout features of the 718 Spyder is its lightweight construction, which contributes significantly to its performance capabilities. By using a combination of aluminum and other lightweight materials, Porsche has managed to keep the car's weight down to just under 3,200 pounds. This weight reduction translates to sharper handling, quicker acceleration, and better overall driving dynamics. The car can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds, and it has a top speed of 187 mph, making it one of the fastest and most capable models in the 718 lineup. Performance isn't just about speed, it's also about handling. The 718 Spyder comes with Porsche Active Suspension Management (PASM) as standard, which allows the car to adapt to different driving conditions. This system automatically adjusts the damping force on each wheel, ensuring optimal balance and grip whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling tight corners on a winding mountain road. The car also sits 1.18 inches lower than the standard 718 Boxster, providing a lower center of gravity for enhanced stability and cornering prowess. Now, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Porsche 718 Spyder is a visual masterpiece that seamlessly blends form and function. At the front, you'll notice the aggressive styling with large air intakes that not only look menacing, but also help with cooling the engine and brakes. The signature LED headlights are sharp and modern, giving the car a distinct look even at night. Moving to the side, the flowing lines and sculpted body panels highlight the car's aerodynamic efficiency. The side air intakes are functional as well, directing air to the engine for optimal performance. One of the most striking design elements of the 718 Spyder is its manually operated, lightweight soft top. Unlike the fully automated systems found in many convertibles, this top is designed to save weight while still being relatively easy to use. When retracted, it gives the car a sleek and sporty profile that's sure to turn heads wherever you go. At the rear, the Spyder features a distinctive ducktail spoiler that not only looks fantastic, but also provides additional downforce at high speeds. The dual exhaust outlets are centrally mounted, emphasizing the car's performance-oriented nature. The interior of the 2025 718 Spyder is just as impressive as its exterior. Porsche has created a driver-focused cockpit that prioritizes both comfort and functionality. The sports seats are supportive and comfortable, designed to keep you firmly in place during spirited driving. High-quality materials such as Alcantara, leather, and brushed aluminum are used throughout the cabin, giving it a premium feel. The steering wheel is wrapped in Alcantara for better grip, and it features a minimalist design with no unnecessary buttons to distract you from the driving experience. In terms of technology, the 718 Spyder comes equipped with Porsche Communication Management (PCM) as standard. This system includes a high-resolution touchscreen display that provides access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Apple CarPlay is included, allowing you to seamlessly connect your iPhone for music calls and messaging. The sound system, while excellent, is almost redundant given the glorious soundtrack provided by the flat 6 engine. Safety is also a priority for Porsche, even in a performance-focused car like the 718 Spyder. Standard safety features include advanced airbag systems, stability control, traction control, and anti-lock brakes. Additionally, Porsche offers optional driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist for those who want a little extra peace of mind during daily driving. One of the unique selling points of the 718 Spyder is its exclusivity. Porsche has positioned this car as a limited production model, which means that owning one is a badge of honor for enthusiasts. The combination of its naturally aspirated engine, manual transmission, and lightweight design makes it a rare gem in a market increasingly dominated by turbocharged engines and automatic gearboxes. Driving the 718 Spyder is an experience like no other. The car feels alive in your hands, responding to every input with precision and immediacy. The engine delivers power smoothly across the rev range, and the manual transmission adds an extra layer of engagement that's hard to find in modern cars. Whether you're carving through a twisty canyon road or simply enjoying a leisurely drive along the coast, the Spyder delivers pure driving pleasure. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of the 718 Spyder. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and automotive content. Until next time, happy driving.